Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam once again in front of you. Hope you all are fine. I am also doing well by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment. I want to talk about this area because I am standing here. This location actually in our behind side, this is the river. And this is the river actually almost full of water. This river, and this river name is Brahmaputra river, and it's called Bangladesh name is Padma river. So dear friends, if I talk about this all environment and dear friends, and today actually weather is very good quality, and right now sun almost set because it's the evening time. And there actually there are two boats actually, and behind side one village are all villagers actually cultivated in our village. Actually this village and middle of side my home, actually this village and Brahmaputra river and half-kilometer distance. So that's why I have come here because this river my home and this river half-kilometer distance, and I don't come anytime this river because my main problems I not come this river, and today I have come here this river, and with my friend he calls me, so that's why I have come here with my friends. So I decided I have come here this location, and I want video making for English practicing purposes, and this time actually English practicing very good time. So that's why I am making English video. So dear friends, this river actually so many peoples, and another side and one boat actually up and down, and across actually boat, it's called Bengali language is called Nauka. So very bad situation for this time actually. So dear friends, it's a most important things actually. So thank you, bye bye.